Today we are going to discuss BCD code. Today we are going to discuss BCD code. So what is a BCD code? Okay. So BCD code, why we are using means here we can use different binary codes. In that binary codes, so each and every binary code there is a different value. So in the BCD code, we are a binary code that distinguish among only 10 elements. Distinguish between only 10 elements. Why? Because BCD code. So binary coded decimal. So decimal means 10. That values range between 0 to 9. Here in this binary code, the distinguish among only 10 elements must contain at least 4 bits. So each and every decimal value, equivalent binary value must and should be 4 bits, at least 4 bits. So, but 6 out of the 16 possible combinations remain unassigned. Why? Because this is a BCD, binary coded decimal. Okay. So, in this we are using only 10 elements out of 16. Okay, 6 values are not unassigned. So different binary codes can be obtained by arranging 4 bits into 10 distinct combinations. Okay, the most commonly used for the decimal digit is the straight binary assignment. The most commonly used for the decimal digit is the straight binary assignment. So this is called as binary coded decimal. This is called as binary coded decimal. Okay. So here one table is there for binary coded decimal. So first I will note that table. Later we will discuss with examples. So binary coded decimal, already you know that BCD is nothing but binary coded decimal. In that binary code decimal, 8421 code, 2421 code, 84 minus 2 minus 1 code. So all these codes are coming under the BCD code, but we are using mainly 8421 code. So BCD code is mainly we are using 8421 code. Okay. So I will draw the table format for BCD values. So first we are writing decimal symbols. So for that, what is the equivalent BCD digit? What is the equivalent BCD digit? So the values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the values are must and should be 9 values. So why? Because this is a BCD. So BCD means binary coded decimal. Zero value means, what is a zero value? You remember that 8421 code. Okay, 8421 code. What is the zero value means? All zeros, right? Must and should be, it will be 4 bit. 1 means 0001. 2 means 0010. 3 means 0011. 4 0100. 5 0101. 6 0110. 7 0111. 8 1000. 9 1001. So these are the BCD values. Is it clear, ma? So BCD means here binary coded decimal. The decimal symbols are from 0 to 9 only. For that we are writing equivalent binary values. In that we are using 8421 code. 8421 code. So why? Because BCD is also a weighted code. So based on this weight only we can place one side. So here 1, I want to place at 1 only. Remaining values are 0. 2. So here I place 1. Remaining values are 0. 3. So when where you can place ones, then only you will get 3 means at 2 at 1. So remaining values are zeros. 4. At 4 place we can place 1, remaining values are zeros. The remaining weights are zeros. 5 means we can place the weight of 1 is 1, the weight of 4 is 1. So remaining values are zeros. Like this you can place ones. Is it clear? This is the BCD code values. Is it clear how BCD code values will represent? The next subheading, BCD addition. The next subheading, BCD addition. Before going that BCD addition, consider, write down one example. Write down one example. Consider decimal. Consider the decimal value 185. Consider the decimal value 185 and its corresponding value in BCD. And its corresponding value in BCD. So you know that different types of conversions. Okay, but you will not this type of conversion, right? 185 base 10, that the base decimal is converted to BCD. Decimal to BCD. How you will convert decimal to BCD? So each and every in decimal number, each and every digit, you can take each and every digit and write it equivalent BCD code and write its equivalent BCD code. Is it clear what I am saying? You can take this decimal number. In that decimal number, you will take each and every digit and write the corresponding BCD value. Then you will get the BCD code. So what is the one value in BCD? 0001, right? So previously I draw one table, right? In that, what is the one value? 001. 8 value 1000. 5 value 0101. So this is the BCD representation of 185. Is it clear? So how you can convert from decimal to BCD? Next one you can solve and give me the result. 796 base 10. Convert this into BCD. What is the value? 01111 1001 0110. So this is the equivalent BCD value for this decimal number. Okay. So how you will convert decimal to BCD means you will take this decimal number and each and every digit in this decimal, write its equivalent BCD number. Then finally you will get BCD value. Okay. The next subheading, BCD addition. The next subheading, BCD addition. The next subheading, BCD addition. In that BCD addition, note down the procedure of BCD addition. BCD addition. So there are 4 steps to performing the BCD addition. The first step is add 2 BCD numbers. Add 2 BCD numbers using ordinary binary addition. Using ordinary binary addition. So add 2 BCD numbers using ordinary binary addition. This is the first step. Then what is the next step? If 4-bit sum is equal to, if 4-bit sum is equal to, if 4-bit sum is equal to less than 9, or sum is equal to or sum is equal to or less than 9. Sum is equal to or less than 9. No condition, no correction is needed. No correction is needed. No correction is needed. The sum is a valid BCD number. Here the sum is a proper BCD number. Otherwise, what is the next step? If the 4-bit sum is, if the 4-bit sum is greater than 9, if the 4-bit sum is greater than 9, if the 4-bit sum is greater than 9, or if a carry is generated, or if a carry is generated, if a carry is generated from the 4-bit sum, from the 4-bit sum, the sum is invalid. The sum is invalid BCD. The sum is invalid BCD. The last fourth step is to correct BCD, to correct the invalid sum, to correct the invalid sum, to correct the invalid sum, add 6. Add 6, that means 0, 1, 1, 0. Add 6 to the 4-bit sum. To the 4-bit sum. So these are the procedure to perform the BCD addition. To perform the BCD addition. First step is add two BCD numbers using ordinary binary addition. Using ordinary binary addition. So the second step is, after getting the sum that is equal to or less than 9, no correction is needed. The sum is valid BCD. Why? Because or equal to 9 means the BCD values are from 0 to 9 only. So the range is from 0 to 9. That 4-bit sum is equal to or less than 9. There is no correction is required. The sum is valid BCD. Otherwise, if the 4-bit sum is greater than 9, or if a carry is generated from the 4-bit, the sum is invalid BCD. So if you get the invalid BCD, so you can correct that value. How you can correct that value means, to correct the invalid sum, add +6, that is 0, 1, 1, 0 to the 4-bit sum. So where the invalid sum invalid BCD will occur, there you can add +6. That means 0, 1, 1, 0. Then you will get correct BCD. So if you add +6, then also you will not get the correct value. Again you will add +6 until you will get correct result. Is it clear? So this is the procedure to performing the BCD addition. Is it clear what I am saying? Yeah, we will see one example, then you can easily understand. Okay. For example, for example, for example, three plus 6. So you know that 3 plus 6 is nothing but 9. What is the 3 value? 00, 11. 6 value? 0, 1, 1, 0. Yes? Yeah. So what is the first step according to BCD addition? Add two BCD numbers. These are the two BCD numbers using ordinary binary addition. Using ordinary binary addition. You know the binary addition, how you will perform? Yeah. So first 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 1, 0. 1 plus 1, 1, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. So this value is equivalent 9 value, right? Yes or no? If the 4-bit sum, this is the 4-bit sum, is equal to or less than 9. So is less than or equal to 9. The value is correct. There is no correction is required. The sum is in proper BCD form. The sum is in proper BCD form. Okay, the sum is in proper BCD form. There is no correction required. Okay, so this is one example. The next example, take 9, 4. What is the 9 equivalent value? 1, 0, 0, 1. 4 value?
0, 1, 0.
Yeah, 0, 1, 0, 0. So you know now, so 9 plus 4, 13. So 13, how you can represent in BCD? 0001, 0011, right? This is the decimal. So what is the binary equivalent for 13 means? The 0001, 0011. So first you can add this value. 1 plus 0, 1. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. So is it correct? Is it correct?
No,
Correct? No. Then take a third step. If the 4-bit sum is greater than 9, yes, this value is greater than 9, right?
yes, ma'am.
So then what it will say? This is the invalid BCD. This is the invalid BCD. Why? Because this value is greater than or equal to greater than 9. So that's why here it is a invalid BCD. Then what is the fourth step? To correct the invalid sum, add plus 6 value. That means 0110. To correct this invalid sum, you can add plus 6, right? So I can add here plus 6, that is 0110. I will add plus 6 value, that is 0110. Then you will perform the addition. 1 plus 0, 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 1, 0. 1 plus 1, 1, 0. So this is the 3 value, right? And here you can place remaining values are zeros, then it is the 1 value. Is it clear? 1, 3 is the value. Is it clear or not? Invalid BCD numbers. Okay. Next, you can do one more example. Consider the addition of 184. Consider the addition of 184 plus 184 plus 576. 184 plus 576. So 184, 576. What is the 184 value in BCD? 0001, 1000, 0100. Yes? Yes. Next 576 value.
0101.
Yeah, 0101.
0111.
0111.
0110.
Yeah, 0110. First, you can add this one. 184 plus 576. What is the result?
0110. 1111
Yeah. Here you will get 0110, 1111, Next 1010. 1010. Yes. Perform this value 184 plus 576 normal decimal addition. Here 184 plus 576 760. So this is for this decimal addition 760 is the value. For BCD addition, for these values are this. So it is equivalent to this value.
No,
No, right? No. So this is the invalid sum. So this is the invalid BCD value. So first you can add plus 6 here. So here you can add plus 6, 0, 110. Then you can perform the addition. 0, 1 plus 1, 10, 1 plus 1, 10, 1 plus 1, 10. The carry will goes to here. Okay. Is it clear or not? So correct the invalid sum, add plus 6 to the 4-bit sum. If a carry results from this addition, add it to the next higher order BCD digit. If carry will produce for this sum, that will add it to the next higher order bit position. Okay. So again the carry will goes to here. 1 plus 1, 10, 1 plus 1, 10, 1 plus 1, 10, 1 plus 1, 10. Here 1, 1, 1, 0. So find for adding 6 value to this value, you got this result, right? So again you will cross check. Is it clear? Is it correct?
No, ma'am.
Is it correct? 7 is correct value and 0 is the correct value. Where the invalid sum is there? Here only. Yeah. Then you can add plus 6 here. 0, 110. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 111. So here 7, 6, 0. So this way we can perform the BCD addition. Where the invalid sum will occur, there you can add plus 6. Okay, until that produce correct result. Until that you can add plus 6 plus 6. If there is any carry will produce, then it will add to the next higher order BCD digit. Is it clear now how the BCD addition will perform? We will do one more problem. (24 plus 18). And tell me the result finally. 24 plus 18. So 2 is nothing but 0, 0, 1, 0. 4 means 0, 1, 0, 0.
00.
Here, yeah, 1 means 0,
0,
1.
001.
8 means
1, 000.
1, 0. Yeah. So here 0, 0,
0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0.
Yeah. So here 4 plus 8, 12. So
12.
2 plus 1, 42, right? So is it correct? The value, is it correct? Is this value is correct? No, na? Yeah. So this is invalid BCD. So to correct this value, you can add plus 6. So 0, 110. Then 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 1, 0.
1, 0, 1, 0.
Yeah.
1, 0. 1, 0, 1, 0.
Yeah. So 0, 1, 0 is the 4. 0, 1, 0 is the 2. So now is it correct or not? Right? Is it correct?
Yes.
Yeah. So by this way we can perform the BCD addition. Is it clear? BCD addition. Still you have any doubts? The next one. BCD subtraction using 10's complement. BCD subtraction using tens complement method. BCD subtraction using tens complement method. BCD subtraction. BCD subtraction BCD subtraction using tens complement method. Using tens complement. So here also steps are there. So there are 3 steps totally. First one is find the tens complement of negative number. Find the tens complement of negative number. Tens complement of negative number. Find the tens complement of negative number. This is the first step. Then second step, add two numbers. Add two numbers. Add two numbers using BCD addition. Using BCD addition. This is the second step. And the third step is if carry is not generated, 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 a result is negative. A result is negative. If carry is not generated, result is negative, and find the tens complement of the result. Find the tens complement of the result. Find the tens complement of the result. Otherwise, result is positive. Otherwise, result is positive. Discard the carry. Discard the carry. So these are the 4 steps. So find the tens complement of negative number, and then second step is add two numbers using BCD addition. If carry is not generated, result is negative, and find the tens complement of the result. Otherwise, result is positive, discard the carry. Is it clear? Steps. Okay, these are the 4 steps. First one means already you know that complement method. So you can subtraction using tens complement method. Find the tens complement of the negative number. That means Sabara hand side. Then add two numbers using BCD addition. If carry is not generated, result is negative. Find the tens complement of the result. Otherwise, result is positive. Okay, we can discuss one example. Example 46 minus 22. 46 minus 22. So perform, note down the example, perform 46 minus 22 base 10. In BCD using tens complement method. In BCD using tens complement method. Tens complement method. So first is, what is the first step? Take the tens complement of 22. Take the tens complement of 22. What is the 22 tens complement value? Tens complement of 22. Complement of 22 is nothing but, so double nine, you can subtract 22 with two nines, then you can get 77. So this is the nines complement. So nines complement means, so tens complement means you can add a nines complement plus 1. So plus
One.
1 means 78. So 78 is the tens complement of 22 is nothing but 78. Okay. So then next step is 46. You can add, take the tens complement of 22, then add it to the 46. 78. So 6 plus 8, 14, right? Here 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 4, 12. Yeah, if carry any generated, discard that carry. Is it clear? If any carry will produce, discard that carry. Okay. So next, what you can perform? Convert these values into BCD. So 0, 1, 0, 0. 6 means 0, 1, 1, 0. Here 7 means 0, 1, 1, 1. 8 means
111.
8
1,
means
0,
1,
0.
0, 0. Yeah. Then you can perform the addition 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1,
1, 1, 0,
0.
1.
Yeah. So 24. The 24 is a decimal value. Is it correct? The BCD value? No, na?
No, ma'am.
You can add plus 6 here. 0, 1, 1, 0. So 0, 1 plus 1, 1, 0. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 1, 0. 1 plus 1, 1, 0. 1 plus 1, 1, 0. Here 1, here 1. So this value is correct, but this value is wrong, right? Again, yes or no? This is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
correct BCD. So this is the invalid BCD. Again, you can add plus 6 here. That means 0, 1, 1, 0. Then 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 1, 0, 1 plus 1, 1, 0. Here you can discard this carry. So here 0, 0, 1, 0 means 2, 0, 1, 0, 0 means 4. So this is the correct BCD, right? Yeah. So directly you can observe here 46 minus 22. What is the value? 46 minus 22, 24, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Here
Yes,
also we can use same method, but here what is the BCD subtraction using tens complement method is nothing but you can take find the tens complement of this negative number, then you can add that negative that tens complement of the subrahand to the minute. That means add two numbers using BCD number. If carry is generated, result is negative, and find out the tens complement of that result. Otherwise, if there is any carry will produce, discard that carry. Is it clear, ma? BCD subtraction.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is not compulsory. BCD addition is very, very important. But you must and should you know that awareness of BCD subtraction.